egg clusters on this. These are nice fresh salmon eggs I just caught. I'm going to squeeze the bag a little bit. It's tasty. I'm going to throw this hook right through the bottom of the knot. And what we're going to do so that this doesn't come out, keep that hook really exposed, but then right underneath it, you can take this magic yarn and go like this and pinch all of this in there really tight, but keep this hook sticking out like that, just like that. Okay, really tight on this, up twice, back through, and that ties a knot. This stuff's called magic yarn for a reason. It's pretty cool. You don't even have to go through like that, but I do it. It just makes it work that much better. Snap it off. Now that hook is in there pretty good, because it can't slide over the eye, right? It's tight. So they go pick that up. Okay. Here's the magic yarn. We're going to set the other one up. We'll set the next one up with a herring. And we are recording, folks. Johnny J. Cracking Christina. Don't know a thing. This is going to be the first fish caught. I've got it nice and tight. It sure looked like it looked like something was mouthing it. Oh yeah, something's mouthing it. Get over here, Peanut. Get ready. If you hear bump, if you feel bump, yeah. Yeah, girl! Yeah! Yank a couple more times. Make sure. Oh, you don't have to set that hook. Yeah, girl! Woohoo! Fish on! Woo! That's what we know. I think that's the keeper. Oh, these gloves are way better. I can just grab those and it doesn't hurt. I think we got keeper, Peanut. Where did I put it? To help me measure this. Goes to take off. Walk forward to the boat. Let him go. Yeah, don't let him break that hook or rip out of his lip. This is where you take your time and just keep that tension on him, pulling him back nice and smooth. You might have to get in the water with it. There he is. We got color. 49 and a half. Okay, we're gonna walk back into the net. Pull him back, no slack, pull him. Oh! Woo! Two guys, two fish! Yeah! Woo! Again! Woo! Alright. We having a hard time with hopefully the keeper.
Holy shit.
Woo!
Do another measure. I want to get it on tape.
Face towards us, yeah, there you go. So here we are, we're done, little joy cleanup. Everything picked up, fish is down in there in some cold water. We are about to take the biggest risk of our lives and John's gonna drive! But we probably won't have you pull the anchor.
Oh yeah, true.
You haven't quite got the throttle down. So I'm gonna drive, and what we do is we drive right over.